So any of you that have known me for a while know that there is a Microsoft device that I've wanted to get my hands on for probably about 4 or 5 years and never managed to do it. Now this device is officially discontinued, I've managed to get my hands on one. I'm going to show you what it is now. So this is the box that arrived for me this morning, and I'm going to open it now and reveal the context. Yes, it is a giant Surface device. What is it? It is the Microsoft Surface Studio 2 Plus. This is wanted for a long time. Could never really afford to get one, but they're discontinued, so that makes them a little bit easier to get hands on for now. What is it? It is a giant device, super powerful Windows 11 Pro device, huge screen, fully tiltable. Think of it as a giant non-portable Surface Pro. So I'll be unboxing this in a little bit. I will be setting it up, and I think I've just found my new daily driver device when I'm working from home. Check back in a bit.